What's up guys, welcome to my channel. In this video today guys, I will be sharing with you how you can do a mobile top up or send credit to your friend or family's phone using the NCB Mobile App. So once you're in the mobile app, what you want to do is select top up. Then from the from option, you're going to select the drop down and select the account that you want to top up the account from. Then in the to option, you're going to select the phone number that you want to top up. So you're going to select add new recipient. You're going to select Digicel or Lime. So here I'm going to go with Flow. Specify the full phone number including the area code. And then you provide a nickname. So let's say MR Lime, right? Then once you do that, you select done. Here you're going to need to enter the RSA token. So I went off screen to enter the token. Because when you're sharing screen, the RSA token will not show you the authentication code. So once you have added the phone number, then you're going to select amount that you want to add. So you can do 1,000, 3,000, or you can select more option and then add one of these options here. So let's say we're gonna do a top up of $100, then we select $100, and then from the two I didn't select my phone number, so let me select it, right? And press this little up arrow again to add that, and then to top up you just swipe to send. So that's literally how easy it is to send top up using the NCB mobile app. So that's for now guys. Thank you for watching and don't forget to hit the subscribe button.